Welcome. In front of me is an iPad from 2021, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into this device. Now you'll need a SIM eject tool which comes provided with the device in a box. You can get that, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it will work as well as this. So anyway, once you got one or the other, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom right side of the device, basically where the pin is holding right now. Push it in, and the tray will pop out just ever slightly, so you can now take it out. There we go. And from here, simply plop your SIM card on the tray, like so, and insert it back into the device. There we go. And as you can see, once you pop it in, it instantly goes to a SIM pin, assuming you have one on your card. I do, so there you go. So anyway, I'll confirm that quickly, and now the card is usable. So that is how you would insert a SIM card into this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.